Hello dear health seekers, Inga from Health Origins here, and welcome to my channel. So I wanted to talk a little bit about what my channel is about and what you can expect here. So our journey, me and my husband's journey, began when we were looking for a cure for his low thyroid condition. We started researching on the best types of foods or the best kind of diet for our bodies to eat so that our bodies are optimal and that so that we could heal his condition. So our research led us to find this chiropractic doctor that was on YouTube. So we started watching his videos. That led us to eat organic food. So we started eating organic food from the farmers. We started eating organic vegetables, organic meats, and so on. Then we found out about the health benefits of raw foods. So we tried to incorporate more raw foods into our diet. Then our research led us to paleo diet, or caveman diet as some people know it. That's where you eat mostly meat and veg and eliminate grains, because we thought, well, maybe grains is what is not too healthy for us. So we tried paleo diet for about a year with not much difference for us, for Mark or myself. And then accidentally one night we were just scrolling through some movies to watch, some documentaries to watch on Netflix, and we stumbled upon a documentary called Cowspiracy. And because we're into conspiracy theory documentaries, that was just up our street. We were interested to see what's it about. And then after watching that documentary, our world has changed and has never been the same way. We pretty much overnight became vegan, and in 2 weeks' time, my husband's constipation has completely gone away. So constipation that he had as a small kid from 5 or 6 years old, since he was diagnosed with low thyroid, his condition has completely, constipation condition has completely vanished, right? And that was just 2 weeks on this diet. And myself, I had a little bit of weight to lose. I didn't have much, I had about 8 extra kilos perhaps, that I thought, well, I was nearing kind of towards 30 or past 30 even. I was thinking, well, that must be just the age, because everybody says, oh, as you age you gain weight. And I thought that's what's happening to me. I was always slim throughout my life, but then when I was getting towards 30 and past 30, the weight kept on creeping up a little bit. I was never obese, but I was kind of like not sure. My size of clothes changed. I was kind of having to look at size up. So I wasn't quite happy with it, and within a few months of eating plant-based way, vegan, I managed to lose 8 kilos. So over a period of 6 to 8 months, every month I would lose about 2 pounds or a kilo. So it just gradually dropped until the point where it just stabilized and just stays the same way. So discovering this way of eating was revolutionary, because both me and my husband spent so much time researching this. My husband would stay for hours after work watching different kind of videos from plant-based doctors, reading articles, reading books on the benefits of this way of eating. And without a shadow of a doubt, we realized that that is the optimal way, the best way for human body to eat. Another things that, so we haven't managed to heal Mark's thyroid condition completely because we believe it's more genetic. However, we were able to eliminate all the symptoms. So like I mentioned, his constipation went away after 2 weeks. His cold feet and hands, cold extremities were, no longer cold, and foggy head has gone away as well. So all these symptoms of low thyroid have healed. So that was amazing and a revelation to us. And the way we eat is not just vegan, because you can't be unhealthy vegan, right? I'm sure you come across some unhealthy or overweight vegans as well, because you can eat just as many junk foods as you can when you're an omnivore. However, we realize that the best way to eat is whole food, plant-based. So the closest to the way nature grows things. So, the closer it is to a natural form, how it grows in nature, that's the best way to eat that food. So my channel is all about healthy, nutritious, whole plant foods, no oil in my recipes, and I'm all about empowering people to take control of their bodies and of their health themselves. I want to help to eliminate obesity from this planet. We don't need to have obesity in this world if we eat the right foods, if we fuel the body the right way, because I believe food is fuel. That's the motto of my channel. So because food is fuel, that's how we fuel our body, our each cell. We need, for optimal health and energy, we need to fuel it with the right, correct foods, and whole food, plant-based, in my opinion, in a lot of research we looked into, is the right way, the natural diet of human beings. So my channel is an attempt to spread this truth and empower people to change their health and bodies with healthy, plant-based, oil-free foods that they can enjoy with their families. So on my channel you can expect 2 videos a week. I release a video on Wednesday and on Saturday. Wednesday? You might hear some of that on my channel too. I mix my V's and W's quite a lot, and my husband really makes a laugh out of that one. Because I'm from Lithuania, by the way. That's where I'm originally from, so we don't have a W, so that's a little bit of something that you might hear me slip in there. So on Wednesdays I prepare a yummy, delicious meal, and on Saturday I show you my meal prep for the week. So hopefully that can give you some ideas of how you can prepare yourself for the week, because I believe success on this lifestyle, I don't even call it diet, because I don't believe in the diets, yo-yo dieting, calorie counting, or restrictions. That does not work long term. Okay, so I believe that we need to eat the right foods to give our bodies the right fuel, and then the body will do the rest. It will get to the ideal weight and stay like that for life. So no restrictions, you can eat until you fall, as long as you're eating the right foods. So yeah, I just want to share the knowledge, what I found to work for me. I've been the same weight for over 2.5 or 3 years now, and I've been vegan for over 4 years. So I just want to share all these delicious, yummy and healthy plant-based foods here. And to empower you to change your own body and health as well. I hope you'll help me spread this message as well, and share the videos with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel, and we can change the world for the better together. So see you in my videos.